Not all caregivers love their job. In fact, maraming caregiver ang napapagod, nadidismaya, at minsan gusto nang sumuko. And you know what? That's completely normal. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi mo mahal ang trabaho mo ay masama kang tao o wala kang malasakit. Caregiving is tough. And today, we'll talk about why it's okay to see it as work and not just a calling. So hi everyone! Kung ngayon lang tayo nagkita, ako nga pala si Michelle Imbat and I create a content to educate, motivate, and share real experiences about caregiving. Kung caregiver ka o nag-aalaga ka ng mga mahal mo sa buhay, this video is for you. And today, we'll break the myth that caregiving is always be a passion or a calling. Let's be real, hindi lahat ng nag-aalaga ay passionate about it. And that's perfectly okay. So let's dive into it. Pag-usapan natin ang reality of caregiving. Caregiving is physically, emotionally, and mentally draining. Hindi ito madaling trabaho. Minsan, we deal with a difficult patient, long hours, and even low pay. Kaya hindi nakakagulat na maraming caregivers ang nakakaramdam ng pagod, frustration, o minsan gusto nang huminto. Society expects us to be selfless, loving, and dedicated 24/7. Pero ang totoo, hindi laging ganon. Some people enter caregiving dahil kailangan nila ng trabaho, hindi dahil ito ang pangarap nila, and that's fine. Minsan, hindi natin pinipili ang trabahong ito, pero pinili natin na magpatuloy. So why it's okay to see caregiving as a work? Sa ibang trabaho, walang nagtatanong kung passionate ba sila sa ginagawa nila. Like engineers, accountant, factory workers. They do their job because it provides for their needs. So sa pagiging caregiver, hindi kasalanan kung hindi ka passionate. Caregiving is a job, and like any other job, it comes with responsibilities and challenges. Kung iniisip mo na hindi mo ito passion, tanungin mo ang sarili mo. Does it give you a sense of purpose? Does it help you and your family? Those are valid reasons to stay. Kahit hindi mo mahal ang trabaho mo, pwede mo pa rin itong gawin with care and professionalism. Hindi mo kailangan maging passion para maging magaling sa ginagawa mo. Pwede magsimula ito as a means to survive. Pero along the way, madidevelop yung skills, patience, and even appreciation. Some caregivers eventually find fulfillment, not because they were passionate from the start, but because they found value on their work. Hindi natin kailangan pilitin ang sarili natin na mahalin agad ang caregiving. Ang mahalaga, ginagawa natin ito ng tama, may respeto at may malasakit. So how to stay motivated even it is just a job? If you're feeling burnout, here's some things you can do. First, set boundaries. Hindi mo kailangang ibigay lahat. Alagaan mo rin ang sarili mo. Second, find small joys. Minsan, kahit simpleng ngiti ng inaalagaan mo, nakakaboost ng moral. Third, learn and grow. Hindi ka forever caregiver. Kung ayaw mo, pwede kang mag-explore ng ibang opportunities habang nag-aalaga ka pa. And lastly, connect and support system. Find people who understand what you're going through. At the end of the day, being caregiver doesn't mean you have to love your job every single day. It's okay to see it as work. It's okay to feel tired. What matters is you show up, do your best, and take care of yourself in a process. And who knows, maybe someday, you will find yourself in a deeper purpose on what you do. At kung nakarelate ka sa video na ito, please comment down below. Gusto ko ring marinig ang thoughts mo. And thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Michelle Imbat and see you on the next one.